Most people say they have a plan, but if you dig deeper, it's just a list of hopes and good intentions. No structure, no deadlines, no action. Let's get real. A plan that actually works has 5 key parts. Step 1. Get specific. Vague goals kill momentum. Not make more money, but earn $5,000 a month from freelancing by December. Specific goals create specific actions. Step 2. Break it down. Every big goal is just a series of small steps. Don't focus on climbing the whole mountain, just the next step in front of you. Daily actions beat yearly intentions every time. Step 3. Build it into your routine. If your plan isn't in your calendar, it's just a fantasy. Set blocks of time. Treat them like non-negotiable meetings with your future self. Step 4. Track and adjust. Don't just work blindly, review your progress weekly. Ask, what worked? What didn't? What's next? Adapt fast. The world doesn't wait. Step 5. Expect resistance. You will get tired. You will get distracted. But success isn't about perfect execution, it's about relentless return. Get back on track every single time. And here's the truth. You don't need a perfect plan. You need a plan you'll stick to. Start simple. Start now. But start. Execution beats inspiration every time. This is your blueprint. Follow it. Adjust it. But above all, live it. If this gave you clarity, like, share, comment below, and subscribe for more real-world strategies to transform your life. Stay connected. Your journey is just beginning.